Welcome to InfoLab. Let us learn Class 7 Science Term 1 Biology. Book back 1 mark question answers. First, Unit 5 Reproduction and Multiplication in Plants. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, vegetative propagation by leaves takes place in dash. Options are Priopilum, fungi, virus, bacteria. The correct answer is Priopilum. Question number 2. Asexual reproduction in yeast is dash. Options are spore formation, fragmentation, pollination, budding. The correct answer is budding. Question number 3. Reproduction part of a plant is dash. The options are root, stem, leaf, flower. The correct answer is flower. Question number 4. Pollinators are dash. Options are wind, water, insect, all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Question number 5. Climbing roots are seen in dash. The options are beetle, black pepper, both of them, none of them. The correct answer is both of them. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The male reproductive part of a flower is dash. The correct answer is androecium. Question number 2. Dash is the basal swollen part of the gynosium. The correct answer is ovary. After fertilization, the ovule becomes dash. The correct answer is seed. Question number 4. Breathing roots are seen in dash plants. The correct answer is Avicennia. Question number 5. Dash and garlic are example of bulb. The correct answer is onion. The third Roman, true or false. Write the correct answer for the false statement. Question number 1. A complete flower has 4 holes. The correct answer is true. Question number 2. The transfer of pollen to the stigma is known as pollination. The correct answer is true. Question number 3. Conical shaped root is carrot. Answer true. Question number 4. Ginger is an underground root. The correct answer is false. The correct statement, ginger is an underground stem. Question number 5. Leaves of aloe vera are fleshy and store water. The correct answer is true. The fourth Roman is match the following. First question, petal. Right answer, attract insect. Question number 2, fern. The correct answer is spore. Question number 3, pyroclad. The correct answer is opuntia. Question number 4, hooks. The correct answer, bignonia. Fifth question, shaker. Correct answer, chrysanthemum. The ninth Roman, assertion and reasoning type questions. Question number 1, assertion. Pollination and fertilization in flowers produce fruits and seeds. Reasoning. After fertilization, the ovary becomes fruits and ovule seeds. The correct answer is assertion is right. Reasoning is correct. Question number 2, assertion. The example of conical root is carrot. Reasoning. It is an advantageous root modification. The answer is assertion is correct. Reasoning is correct. Next, Unit 6 Health and Hygiene. First Roman, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Ravi has sound mind and physically fit body, which refers to dash. The options are hygiene, health, cleanliness, wealth. The correct answer is health. Question number 2. Sleep is not only good for body, but it is also good for dash. The options are enjoyment, relaxation, mind, environment. The correct answer is mind. Question number 3. Our living place should be dash. The options are open, close, clean, unclean. The correct answer is clean. Question number 4. The tobacco chewing causes dash. The options are anemia, periodontitis, tuberculosis, pneumonia. The correct answer is periodontitis. Question number 5. The first aid is dash. Options are to save money, to prevent scares, to prevent the medical care, to relieve the pain. The correct answer is to relieve the pain. The second Roman is fill in the blanks. Question number 1. A group of people living together in a particular area is called dash. The correct answer is community. Question number 2. I am green color box with garbage. Who am I? The correct answer is biodegradable dustbin. Question number 3. Eyes are considered as dash to the world. The correct answer is window. The hair follicles produce dash which keeps the hair smooth. The correct answer is oil. Question number 5. Tuberculosis is caused by the bacterium dash. My correct answer is Mycobacterium tuberculae. The third Roman is true or false. If false, give the correct statement. Question number 1. All food should be covered. The correct answer is true. Question number 2. Chickenpox also known as leukoderma. The correct answer is false. The correct statement is chickenpox also known as varicella. Question number 3. Stomach ulcer is a non-communicable disease. The correct answer is true. Question number 4. Rabies is a fatal disease. The correct answer is true. Question number 5. First degree burns damage the whole skin. The correct answer is false. The correct statement first degree burns damage the outer layer, that is epidermis, of the skin only. The fourth Roman match the following. Question number 1. Rabies. The correct answer is hydrophobia. Question number 2. Cholera. The correct answer cramps in legs. Question number 3. Tuberculosis. The correct answer Mycobacterium. Question number 4. Hepatitis. The correct answer yellow urine. Question number 5. Typhoid. Correct answer Salmonella. Fifth Roman analogy. Question number 1. First degree burns epidermis. Second degree burns. The correct answer is dermis. Question number 2. Typhoid. Bacteria. Hepatitis. Correct answer is virus. Question number 3. Tuberculosis. Spread by air. Cholera. Spread by dash. The correct answer is water. Roman number 6. Choose the correct alternative from the following. Question number 1. Assertion. Oral hygiene is good. Reason. Sound teeth and healthy gums with healthy surrounding tissues. The correct answer is both A and R are true. So question number 2. Assertion. Chickenpox is a viral communicable disease. Reason. Characterized by rashes on the whole body, fever, headache, and tiredness. The correct answer is both A and R are true. Next, Unit 7. Visual communication. First Roman. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which is the example for an animation? The options are sound communication, visual communication, vector communication, raster communication. The correct answer is visual communication. Question number 2. Who uses the Photoshop software more? The options are teacher, doctor, painter, photographer. The correct answer is photographer. Question number 3. Which option is used in the Microsoft Photo Story to upload the photos? The options are begin a story, import pictures, settings, view your story. The correct answer is import pictures. Question number 4. Which technology shows the computer drawn picture as real picture? The options are Inkscape, Photo Story, Virtual Reality, Adobe Illustration. The correct answer is Virtual Reality. Question number 5. Which technology uses pixel to create pictures? The options are vector, raster, both, none. The correct answer is raster. Question number 6. Which software is used to correct symbols? Options are Photoshop, Illustrator, Vector Graphics, Photo Story. The correct answer is Vector Graphics. Second Roman, match the following. First question, animation. The correct answer is visual communication. Question number 2, raster. Correct answer, pixels. Question number 3, vector. The correct answer is illustrator. Question number 4, virtual reality. The correct answer is 3D. Question number 5, video story. The correct answer is Microsoft Photo Story. For the more solution, visit our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.